Hi, this is an unexpected recording. I've just popped on to show you something I've been working on, and I wanted to show you. Now, I made this album 5 years ago with current Stampin' Up product at the time. Yeah, but it was 5 years ago, and I found the mini catalogue. So it was the January to June 2021 mini catalogue, and I found some of the product. So I can tell you it was the Love You Always Suite collection, and I didn't get everything as I sometimes do with catalogs. I don't get everything, but I did get you the Love You Always foil sheets and the Love You Always specialty paper and the True Love black and white designer series paper. And I think I said in one of my recent videos that whenever there's black and white paper, I do tend to buy it because I love it. And the black matte dots. So that's where most of this product has come from. There are also other retired things in this album now, but I wanted to show you. It has been sitting up on my shelf behind me here in my craft room for 5 years. And all of a sudden I realized I had some perfect content to go in it. So I wanted to show you this, and I hope you enjoy. So this is an album of Matt and Steph's wedding in June last year. I can't remember what these dies were, or these ones. They're pretty much, I think I've sold just about everything now. But yeah, now I got this album off YouTube. I was watching somebody by the name of Rosa Kelly in the States, and I made it slowly and surely 5 years ago. And so do you remember those vellum doilies, the square doilies? Obviously they were current then. And then it's got pockets. So this was the boys on the wedding day and getting up to no good, as boys do. And it's got little side pockets, and it's got, I guess, what you would call flip-flaps, and these have got magnets in them. So this comes over to here, and this is a pocket. These ones I think were called elegant border dies. So this was Steph and her dad and the girls. Put that back in there. And here's the girls again in their warm, cozy coats. And the boys. So they got married at Bimbadgen in the Hunter Valley. And I had quite a few black and white photos, and I just had this realization, I know what I could do with that album. And then this Matt had a moment during his speech or his vows. So I thought, you've got this, is perfect. It was such a happy day. It was such a beautiful day. And they were so happy and still are. And now I'm just going to pop that back in its little side pocket. And then we come over here. So here's some of that foil, specialty foil. I'll hold that one up. This one really makes me laugh, this photo. I have no idea what he was saying at the time, but it makes me laugh. And so that was that one. And then we've got another side pocket. So this spotty ribbon was also, like tulle spotty ribbon was also available at the time. So another side pocket. Family. We're a little bit small in number compared to Steph's family. Okay, let me pop that back in here. Sometimes you just got to sort of get them back in carefully. There we go. And then we come to here. So that's all the bridal party. These beautiful dies. I probably will regret selling them now that I've seen them again. I really love that photo. It's like Runaway Bride, but he's running away with her. So that's like an insert pocket. And then we've got a side pocket again. And that goes in here. I've got to get it in. There we go. So you do have to be a bit careful because you've got these elegant border dies, but you know, it's not something that will be flipped through like frequently. And there's one of those vellum squares again, doilies. It's a bit of fun as they came into the reception and his speech. And they did like running through sparklers outside with everybody. And this was when my husband was giving his speech. So I just wanted to, so there's black matte dots and I used the pearls, the basic pearls that we had at the time. I just wanted to hop on and quickly show you that because it's such a cool album. And as I said, it's been sitting up on my desk, up on my bookshelf behind me for 5 years. And now I feel like it's a completed album. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that little show and tell. Thank you so much.